Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Cecilia here. So I am in Geneva now in Switzerland, and I promised you guys that I'll always show you my rooms around the world when I travel. So I want to show you this room. It costs around 116 euros per night, and without breakfast. If you want breakfast, you'll have to pay like 135 or 25. But since I'm still doing intermittent fasting, I'm not having breakfast. I'm only eating starting 10 until 6 p.m. in the evening. So I thought, yeah, I don't need breakfast. So it is 116, like I said, and it is exactly opposite the main train station here in Geneva. It is called Ibis Styles. Actually, it's supposed to be one of the most reasonably priced hotels, but we are in Geneva. Everything is very, very expensive. So because I'm alone, this is just perfect for me. Guys, I'm done unpacking and everything else, so I'm taking a shower now, putting some makeup on, and then I'm going to the city. Thank you so much guys. I hope you like this room. Tell me what you think about it, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.